gentleman of Bodaboda. No, we are the only people who live by our word. That even Bodaboda people, we promised. I'm told even MCs actually, the way Mheshimiwa Emma has just put it, they were dismissing this gentleman until he did his presentation. This boy has finished. He's finished for 4 years. He has a degree. And he was riding a
I, Bank Class Chair, do swear, and I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office as a member of the Kisii Municipality Board of Kisii County Government of Kisii, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I shall at all times, when so required, faithfully and truly give counsel and advice to the Kisii Municipality Board of Kisii County, that I shall respect, uphold, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of Kenya, and that I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance to the Constitution of Kenya and the laws and the conventions of Parliament and the County Assembly of Kisii without fear or favor, affection or ill will. So help me God. Chair of ID number 310-77419, do solemnly swear that my attention has been drawn to the provisions of the Official Secrets Act 1968, and I am fully aware of the serious consequences which may follow any breach of the provisions. I understand that the sections of the Official Secrets Act attached to this document cover material published in a speech, lecture, or radio, or television broadcast, or in the press, or in book form. I am aware that I should not divulge any information gained by me as a result of my appointment to any unauthorized person, either orally or in writing without the previous official sanction in writing of my appointing authority, to which written application should be made and 2 copies of the proposed publication be forwarded. I understand also that I am liable to be prosecuted if I publish without official sanction any information I may acquire in the course of my tenure of an official appointment, unless it has already officially been made public, or retained without official sanction, any sketch, plan, model, article, note, or official documents which are no longer needed for my official duties, and that these provisions apply not only during the period of my appointment, but also after my appointment has ceased. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon. As I have already told you, my name is Bank Class Chair Morana. I'm happy to have been appointed as a board member, Kisii Municipality, and I promise I'll work hand in hand with the county government and board members to make sure that the interests of Kisii Municipality people are taken into consideration. Thank you very much.